Clause Mail versus Thunderbird. Which email client is better? In today's video, we're comparing two popular desktop email clients. If you've tired of web-based email and want something faster, more secure, or just more customizable, this is for you. Let's see which one might suit your workflow better. Now, let's start off with Thunderbird. So now, Thunderbird is one of the most well-known open source email clients. It's developed by Mozilla. It's great for users who want a full-featured modern interface with strong privacy controls. Some of the pros: it is easy to set up and use, supports multiple email accounts, add-ons available for customization, built-in calendar, contacts, and chat. Great security and spam filtering, but it does have some cons. Can feel heavy or slower on older systems. Interface can be overwhelming for minimalists and uses more system resources than lightweight clients. Now, this is best for everyday users, businesses, and anyone who wants a powerful all-in-one email app. Okay, next we've got Clause Mail. It is a lightweight, fast, and minimalist email client for power users. It doesn't look that fancy, as you can see, but it's reliable, fast, and highly configurable. Now let's go on ahead and talk about the pros. So now it's super fast and responsive and uses very little memory or CPU. Focus purely on email, no extras. Ideal for older computers or Linux setups. Plugins available for custom features. Now it does have a few cons. It is outdated user interface, not beginner friendly, needs setup and tweaking, lacks built-in calendar or contacts by default, fewer integrations, and then Thunderbird. Now this is best for advanced users who want speed, control, and simplicity over appearance or features. Now, go with Thunderbird if you want a modern email client with rich features, multiple accounts, and everything in one place. Or choose Clause Mail if you want a lightweight, fast, no-nonsense tool that just handles email and does it well. Both are free, open source, and privacy respecting, so you can't really go wrong. It depends on your style, powerful versus minimal.